Hey everyone, it's your girl, Four Wheel Fitness, and I am here with a really great workout that you can do. It's a really great full body cardio workout, and it's called plank to jump squats. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get down on the ground in our plank position. Now, with your skates on, it's so much easier up on your toe stops. Make sure you keep your feet or your skates shoulder width apart while you're in plank. And then what you're going to do from this plank position is you are going to jump up into a squat, and then you're going to come up, jump up, go back down into a plank, start all over again. So again, we go from the plank to that squat position, jump up, come back down into the squat, into the plank. So let's do that again. We're in our plank, our skates are shoulder width apart. We're gonna go up into that squat position, jump up, come back down into a squat, go back down into plank. So all together, what the workout looks like is plank, squat, jump, squat, plank, squat, jump, squat, plank, squat, jump, squat, plank, squat, jump, squat, plank. So it's very calculated. You go plank, squat, jump, squat, plank, jump, and there you go. That's plank to jump squats. Woo! Get your workout on, guys. Have fun out there. Keep rolling.